Love My Pond introduces.
Available in both granular and tablet forms, Water Treats Algae Lift is 100% fish friendly and aquatic life safe when applied correctly.
What Algae Lift is, it's a granular type of peroxide which enables you to remove algae from rocks, from walls, from surfaces, and also when you get big thick mats of algae on the surface, it enables you to break that up and break it down and allow the natural processes of bacteria coming in to degrade it to basically get rid of algae from your dam. The best thing about it is because it's a granular sort of form, you can sprinkle it topically. You don't have to treat the entire water body. So it can save you a lot of money when you're treating filamentous algae that might only be in certain sections of the dam. So it's a really good product, really safe. It breaks down into hydrogen, oxygen and water, so there's no chemical residues. You can use it in stock troughs, fish ponds, dams, basically any sort of area where you want to get rid of algae or a biofilm that's covering any sort of surface or looking unsightly. We also recommend following up this treatment with one of our biological treatments, and what that will do is enable the bacteria to come in and basically break down and decompose the algae once it's been disrupted by the algae lift.
Get yours today at lovemypond.com.au. Shoot us an email if you have any questions, or get social with us on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest.